Experiencing freezing and lagging on your Galaxy S24 can be frustrating. This can often be due to a lack of sufficient storage space, especially if your device's internal memory is filled with heavy apps. If you're encountering this issue, the first step to take is to perform a force restart on your device. This is a highly effective method for resolving performance-related issues. Simply press and hold the volume down and power buttons for a minimum of 8 seconds. Your device will power off and then power back on. Once the Samsung logo appears, release both keys and allow your device to finish booting up. After this, monitor your phone usage to see if the problem has been resolved. It's also important to check your storage, particularly if your phone contains a large number of photos and videos. Low storage space can contribute to this issue. To check your storage, go to Settings, tap on Device Care, and then tap on Storage. The next screen will indicate whether you have sufficient storage space. In addition to this, ensure that your device is running the latest firmware version. To do this, return to the previous screen, tap on Software Update, and then tap on Download and Install. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to reset all settings on your phone. This can fix a majority of performance-related problems. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down to General Management, tap on Reset, select Reset All Settings, and then tap on Reset Settings to proceed. After the device reboots, the issue should be resolved and you can continue using your phone without experiencing freezes and lags. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching.